Hello everyone, this is a tutorial on how to invest in autonomous earning, using XRPL. To begin, you need to open our website Credefi.finance. From the front page, click on XRPL platform and you will be redirected to our platform. First, you need to connect your wallet. For the purpose of this video, we are using XUMM wallet. Once you've connected your wallet, simply click on Invest in the Autonomous Earning box. After that, you will see the Autonomous Earning menu. The configuration of your deposit is done from the blue box on the right. You need to write down your name. Choose the desired amount, select the preferred stable coin, pick a length and press on Invest. Approve the transaction through your wallet, and once it's confirmed on the blockchain, you're all set. You don't even need to have any stable coins prepared, we will do the exchange for you. XRP is totally enough and you can deposit as low as $1 or euro, easy as that. The performing deposits can be seen from the same page. Thanks for watching.